Hi guys, I'm going to be broadcasting homework solution to homework 2.2. In this we're doing problem 2A and we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. I believe this is from the 2000 AP Chemistry examination. Seems like a long time ago, but these are good problems to focus on because it is a good 8-9 years since these questions have been asked. So expect similar questions to come up because usually it takes about 8 or 9 years for them to recycle the same questions. So here we go. It says under standard conditions at 25 degrees Celsius, zinc reacts with CO2 plus to produce, and that seems to have come off here to produce CO. Looks like we've got it on. So for the first one, it says write and balance the equation for the oxidation half reaction. Okay, so basically they give you the reactants. They say Zn reacts with CO2 plus, and they tell you that it produces CO0. Well, there's got to be something else. Let you guys think about that for a sec. And if you go through your work, you will see that zinc went up and cobalt went down, so that would be Zn2 plus. Did that. Next question. Write the balanced net ionic equation for the overall reaction. Okay, as far as we are concerned, yeah, okay, I'm gonna answer 2, and then I'll tell you what we're gonna do. So basically these are gonna be flipped. Okay, 1 is the answer to 2 and 2 is the answer to 1, and Mr. M is retarded. So here we go. The first question was asking for the oxidation half reaction. So the oxidation half reaction was simply Zn goes to Zn2 plus, and the balanced reaction would, so this is the oxidation half reaction. I'm going to go ahead and write the reduction half reaction just for the heck of it as well. And when you combine those two together, you get the balanced reaction, which I showed up here. I apologize about that. 3. Calculate the E for the overall reaction. Okay, so we know that E, cell, they should have put a little cell there. Bad. And they put this little 0 at the top. We don't care about this. Equals negative E ox plus E reduced. So I'm going to go to my table, and I'm going to get the negative of zinc. So zinc on the table, the table is negative 0.76. I am not going to change anything that I see on the table. This negative here is going to take care of it for me. I'm not going to do anything with the number on the table. And my E reduced, cobalt, CO2 plus, is going to be negative 0.28. So when I do this, I end up with 0.76 minus 0.28. So that should be 0.48 volts. That's the answer. All right, now you guys can naturally start thinking about whether or not this is a spontaneous reaction. The question didn't ask you to do that, but E in this case, cell, is greater than 0. Therefore, delta G is going to be less than 0. Therefore, it's going to be spontaneous. This thing here, this like weird dot thing, that means therefore. All right, have a great night. Take care.